Hey guys, welcome to another brand new tutorial series on C++. I am Aditya. I'll be your instructor or teacher for this tutorial series. Now coming to the language that is C++, it is a very beautiful language, a popular language. It is very old, it is there from a long time, a large community. And after learning C++, you can go ahead and do game development, and then you can go and do competitive programming, and it would be much easier for you to actually learn more languages after completing C++, because all depend on C++. If you take Java, it will be much easier for you to understand Java if you go from learning C++ to Java, or Python is also much easier. So C++ is just like a programming language which you must actually begin with, and it's worth that you are starting from C++ through my tutorials. And guys, coming to the course design, this is actually not only a complete beginner tutorial series, whereas even if you're from other programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, Dart, Java, other programs, C#, like these programming languages, if you've learned already these programming languages or any of these, then it would be much easier for you to understand C++, and I'll be making it in a quick way so that you can grasp all the concepts clearly. And the videos also will be mostly in a short video time, around 10 minutes, and sometimes in maybe advanced topics the video length may increase, but most of the videos will be around 10 minutes or less than that. So guys, in the next video we'll be beginning with setting up our computer for C++ installation or development in C++. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any video updates on my channel for this C++ tutorial series. And guys, thanks for watching. See you there in the next video.